Love is not just an emotion. It is a connection we learn to build.
Simulating a long exposure effect in Photoshop allows you to turn choppy water or busy traffic into smooth, silky paths. Start by importing a series of photos taken from a stable tripod as layers into a single document. Select all the layers, right-click, and choose to convert them into a single smart object. Go to the Layer menu, find Smart Objects, select Stack Mode, and choose Mean or Median. Photoshop will analyze all the frames and blend them together, averaging out any moving elements. This creates a beautiful glassy water texture or smooth light trails while keeping static objects like rocks and buildings perfectly sharp. Export